Hey everybody, it's Peter and James with ClassicSteelRC. Hope you guys are all doing well. We've got another unboxing for you today. We've got the Ford Bronco, the 2021 Ford Bronco by New Bright RC. This is a toy grade RC that I picked up specifically to put onto a hobby grade chassis. So there will be videos of that coming up soon enough, but this is an unboxing just for the toy grade here. This is a 2.4 gigahertz RC with a 9.6 volt lithium ion battery, rechargeable of course. It actually comes with the 2 batteries for the receiver, the transmitter as well, which we'll get to all of that in just a couple minutes. Let me just go ahead and show you guys around the box a little bit. It's ages 8+. By the way, this is available on Walmart.com.
8+, I'll not be able to play.
Yeah, you can't play with it. Oh well, so much for that.
Just kidding. We're kidding.
He's experienced enough. I'll let him play with it. Of course, it's gonna be a hobby grade RC soon enough. Anyway, so as it comes from the box, it says it says 4x4 trucks, but I don't know that it's actually a 4-wheel drive. The last one that I bought was not 4-wheel drive. It was just rear-wheel drive, and that was it. So I'm curious to find out whether this is actually a 4-wheel drive or not. It's ready to run. It's got everything you guys need. So if you're thinking about a birthday present or something for someone, pick it up at Walmart and you're gonna have a happy kid. It goes for about 50 bucks, by the way. Show you around the box a little bit here.
The back of the box.
That's the back of the box, yep. You guys can zoom it and zoom in if you want.
Yeah.
And
the barcode is on the back.
Oh yeah. That's boring stuff. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing this.
Yep.
Show you what's in the box.
Yep.
So I paused the video and I'm glad I did because that unboxing was really difficult. So I spared you guys quite a bit of time. So now that we've got it unboxed here, we've got our transmitter to show you. Just a totally toy grade, transmitter. Got your wall charger here, plugs directly into the wall, and your 9.6 volt lithium ion battery. Just slip it in there, plug the whole thing into the wall. Kids, don't do that yourselves. Have your parents do that for you.
Only if you're old enough.
Unless you're old enough. Anyway, so here's the star of the show today. Again, this is the 2021 Bronco. I believe this color is the Area 51. I should have looked it up beforehand. I completely forgot, but I am 99% sure this is the Area 51 color. Anyhow, again, this is a toy grade RC. It's pretty cool, and I do believe that it actually might be 4-wheel drive because it seems that there is a bit of resistance when I turn the front wheels. So I think this might be a true 4-wheel drive as opposed to the other Bronco that I had purchased several months ago, which was just rear-wheel drive. Either way, I'm using a hobby grade chassis for this thing. So stay tuned for those videos.
If you can do it.
Oh, I'm gonna do it. Trust me, this is gonna be a hobby grade RC soon enough. Right, James?
Yeah.
But let's check this out. It's an awesome looking body. You got a pretty cool interior in there. Looks pretty nice in scale. I did try putting an action figure in there before I had unboxed it. And you're either gonna have to cut the legs off of your action figure or cut part of the footwell out. So I'm more prone to cut the legs off of an action figure rather than mess up the footwell. Anyway, you got your little spare tire cover in the back. Not exactly very scale compared to this. Of course, this whole monster truck looking thing is not scale looking to the RC at all anyway.
But we are going to fix
I'm going to fix all that. So anyway, just wanted you guys to see this. Again, it's the 2021 Ford Bronco Convertible from New Bright RC.
New Brand new Bronco.
Brand new Bronco.
It keeps saying that on the truck.
Okay, James. He's pretty excited. So let's just go look around this thing here. It actually, I'm gonna honestly say that for a toy, this is, I think, a much better rig than the, as far as first impressions go, at least. I think this is the first, I think this is a much better RC than the one that I bought for 70 bucks from Walmart. The one that I bought several months ago, the yellow one with the hard top. I'm kind of digging this one a bit more. So yeah, just wanted you guys to know. Again, it's the 2021 Ford Bronco from New Bright RC. It's the convertible version. Now, by the way, I should point out, New Bright markets this as a 10th scale RC. It might be 10th scale in the sense that this whole chassis is kind of 10th scale, but the body itself is a 1/12th scale. So if you're thinking about getting this RC to convert into a hobby grade RC like I did, like I bought it for, I was not sure. I had not seen this in real life. I actually ordered it online. So when I got it, I was very surprised to see that it's a 12th scale body. The hard top, however, that I did use in previous videos is a 10th scale body, and they marketed that as an 8th scale because the chassis on that thing was ridiculously big. So kind of like an 8th scale chassis. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing from Peter
And James.
at
Please
ClassicSteelRC.
like, share, subscribe.
You're not even on camera, dude.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yep. There you go. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to ClassicSteelRC. And I'm going to leave links for the other Bronco, and then eventually I'll put a link for this customized one when I'm done with that.
Yep.
All right. Have a good one, guys.
Bye.
Bye. All right. We got our 2021 Bronco here. First run. It actually is four-wheel drive.
Wow, that is fast.
It is pretty quick. So it is four-wheel drive. Let's see if it actually can climb anything.
No, don't do that. You're making me scared.
Oh, are you afraid it's going to fall into the pond?
Yeah.
It is four-wheel drive without locking diffs. So if it hits some resistance, it's going to stop. Hold on a second, see if it, there we go. Now I should point out that this is non-proportional steering or throttle. Non-proportional steering and throttle, I mean. So in other words, again, toy grade, not a hobby grade RC at all. But for a toy, it actually is performing decently.
And like as fast as a bullet.
I wouldn't say as fast as a bullet, but
Yes.
just a minute.
Wait, I think it's like my little buggy. Sometimes it is four-wheel drive and sometimes it's not.